Hey guys! Okay. Hey guys! I just wanted to tell you guys, hi! It's Leilani here, Lani Mukbang. And I just like to show you like where I go for my walk or my runs, which I haven't been doing in a while, but since this self-isolation thing is going on, good excuse to start again. And I'm just going to show you here. In case you don't know, I live on a farm and the gates are locked off so that there's nobody that wanders around from outside. But it's this entire property. Right. So now I'm outside. This is still all the property here. This is Valentine's little swing that he goes on. I'm just gonna do this vlog of where I go walking. This path down, don't walk on the leaves, try to walk here. It's safer, you don't slide. So there is some beach at high tide, but it's low tide, it's really like a lot of sand. Beautiful. Look, a bit of flat road. And then stops again. Let's go. This is all part of the footpath. I don't know if I would call it a footpath, but anyhow, a little bit treacherous. Steps, yay! I do have a picture on Instagram where I climbed I climbed across there to get up on that rock. Okay, I'm back onto the property. This is where the potatoes are. Some of them are here. And I just want to explain about this plastic here. So this plastic would normally be used to cover the potatoes when they're growing from the birds that will obviously dig them out and eat them. Let me take off this mask here. But because they haven't had any workers coming, they have just blown off. And normally the workers would obviously clear them up and lay down new ones or whatever the case may be. It's just a bit wild back here, so you don't have any potato planted. Sometimes you get raspberries or strawberries randomly, but I kind of frightened to eat them still because you don't know. I'm really not sure what is what in this country. Give me a dunk or a mango, or I would know what a manchineel is versus a dunk, right? But I really don't know here, so it might look like a raspberry to me. Next thing it's like a poisonous berry. So if I see any, I'll film it, but I don't know if it's the right season even for all these things. Behind this wall is the pool. This is the barrier, interior walls. There's a little ravine here. There's lots of ravines and lakes around. It's a lot. Like, you'll get tired. Like, you'll wish that you didn't have to go back when you go through. You know, you keep running because it's interesting. All the scenery is beautiful. And then you get to a point where you're like, oh my god, I have to go all the way back. Like, what? And that's where I am right now in my mind. Hey guys, I had a really nice nature walk. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is all very close to where I live. It's all the same property basically as where I live. but except for like the beach part, I think. I'm not even quite sure how extensive the property is, to be honest. But I had a really nice walk, and it's really worth it to get outside for 2 hours. That's what we're allowed here in the Channel Islands in Jersey. But yeah, enjoy yourself and have a nice time. So if you like these videos, please comment, subscribe, like. Let me know in the comments if you like this video, if you enjoy seeing like whatever there is outside here. There's so much more to explore, lots more. It's just that I'm tired. So anyway, I don't actually have that much more time to be outside because we're only allowed 2 hours in Jersey, the Channel Islands, UK. So but yeah, I can do this whenever. If you like it, just let me know. Thank you. Subscribe, please.
Thank you for watching my mommy video.
Please comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, mwah, hungry bellies.